Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily update your NVIDIA graphics card drivers and keep them always up to date with the NVIDIA program. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser and Google for the GeForce Experience, as you can see right here. Now from out there you go to the official NVIDIA website and you download the GeForce Experience right here. Now simply open up the .exe file and install the program. Now once the program has been installed, you can find it right here, the GeForce Experience. Now open up the GeForce Experience application, and as you can see here we have the GeForce Experience. Now what you want to do, you want to go to the top left corner where the drivers appear, and here as you can see GeForce Game Ready driver is available. Now as you can see you can check for updates, and whenever there are updates there should be a download button right here. Now, as you can see I start to download, and right here now the download is ready and they will be installed. Now make sure to restart your PC afterwards. Now what you can also do is go to the settings right here, scroll all the way down, and here you see downloads. Now make sure to automatically download all the driver updates whenever they are available, so your drivers are always up to date. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.